Gupta, and how
Okay, sir, you start it.
so the name of the father was Gupta, yes, you should know. And one thing, what happened next? In the next paragraph, how that father got the money back, how the father got the money back, and everything what happened after this incident. So the father wrote on paper that my son will not use your wisdom in future. My son will not use your wisdom in future. He has written and he has given to the Nagendra. So that incident completed, over. And what happened next with the Babu? Yes, we will learn. So now I am going to rub it. So now off your mic, madam. Off your mic. So next paragraph what happened? I will read the next paragraph and again I will explain. I will explain properly. So if you want your money back, you will have to sign a document saying that your son will never use my advice and that he will always stand and watch people fighting. So that was the agreement between the Gupta and the Nagendra. The passers-by supported Nagendra, so Gupta readily signed the document and took his money. He was happy that it had been easy to undo his son's foolish bargain. A few days passed. The king of that land had two queens who hated each other. So did their maids. They quarreled as bitterly as their mistress. One day, each queen sent her maid to the market. The maids went to the same shop and both wanted to buy the same pumpkin. There was only one pumpkin. So they began to quarrel. Their abuses and gestures were so fierce that the grocer fled the place. Babu, who happened to be nearby, remembered his father's contract with Nagendra and went there to watch the quarrel. The maids fought, tore each other's hair and came to blows. One of the maids noticed the merchant's son and said, "You be my witness. She struck me." The other maid cried, "You have seen with your own eyes who struck whom. You are my witness. She has hit me so many times." Then they remembered other errands and went their ways. So errands means what here, dear students? Errands means a short journey to get something for somebody. So they remembered what happened and they went their ways. So I will write here points again. And I will explain next paragraph. So because it will help you to understand very well. Because actually many students, they don't have a textbook. So having no textbook, it's very difficult to understand only reading and explaining. So if I write points, you will understand the lesson. So what happened next? Gupta signed the document, got his money back. Got money back. Now, there was there was a king who had two queens. Two queens who hated each other. They had their maids. Maids hated too. Maids hated too. Maids had gone to the market. Same shop, same pumpkin. They began to quarrel. Babu stood and watched two of them fighting. Be the witness. So these are the points. Raman Gowda, is it visible? Raman Gowda, is it visible?
Visible, sir.
Okay. So now, dear students, these are points of the next para, and actually I will read the points. So here, Gupta signed the document and got money back. Gupta signed the document and got money back. Two, there was a king who had two queens. After this incident, dear students, means what? When Gupta means who? The father of Babu. Babu is the character, and father of Babu who? Gupta. Okay. So dear students, Gupta signed because Nagendra told him to sign one document that Babu will not use his advice, his wisdom. So Gupta signed the document and got his money back, and he was happy. Gupta was happy that he got money back. Finally, he was happy. And he signed that his son will not use his wisdom. What was the wisdom? It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. It was the wisdom that he will not use this wisdom. So he signed, he told that you should not use this wisdom. And what happened next? Dear students, there was a king who had two queens. There was a queen who had two queens. So now the story about king also is here. There was a king and he had two queens. And two queens means what? Definitely there will be quarrel. There will be fighting. Two queens means what? And who hated each other. Hated means too much hate. They did not like themselves. One queen is here, one queen is here, and they quarrel, they fight because they hated each other. They used to hate each other. They would hate each other, two queens, because one king was there and the king had two queens. There was a king who had two twins who hated each other. Two twins who hated each other. So each other means what? They used to hate, they used to fight, they used to quarrel. Hey, you are not good, I am the good. Hey, I am the best, you are not good. I am the queen, you are not queen, you are not queen. So this is the fighting they used to do, they used to quarrel every day. Two queens means you know, you can understand. You can understand the fighting, the quarrel between two queens. So there was one king and he had two queens, but two queens who hated each other. Two queens who hated each other, and also they had their maids. Maids means what? Servant. Maids means what? Servant. Servant. Yes, no? The person who helps queen, that is called maid. Actually, especially the maid means girl, woman, especially woman actually. That woman who helps the queen. So, dear students, here two queens means what? Here one queen, A queen, here B queen. A queen had one maid. B queen had maid. Maid means what? Who helps or works for a queen. That is called maid. That is called maid. So dear students, here two queens who hated each other, they had their maids, and very important part is maids hated too. Not only the two queens who hated each other, maids also hated each other. Maids also hated each other. So there was fighting, there was quarrel between this maid and this maid. There was quarrel between this queen and this queen. So maids also who hated each other. There was fighting between maids also. There was quarrel between maids. So that type of king he was. And one day, one sunny day, maids had gone to the market. So maids, both maids, A queen's maid, B queen's maid, they both had gone to the market, same shop, same pumpkin. So they went to the market and they went in same shop, and there was a pumpkin. There was a pumpkin to buy. So both of them wanted to buy same pumpkin, and there was only one pumpkin. There was only one pumpkin in their shop, and there were two maids. So one maid started saying, I want pumpkin, it is mine. Another maid started, I want pumpkin, it is mine. Next, I want pumpkin, it is mine. Next, I want pumpkin, it is mine. So quarrel, the fighting. They started fighting, they began to quarrel for that pumpkin because they also hated each other, and they had gone to the market, and they went in same shop, to the same shop, same pumpkin. They began to quarrel. They started fighting because they wanted same pumpkin, and pumpkin also was only one in the shop. There was only one pumpkin in the shop, and for that pumpkin they started fighting. Babu stood and watched the two of them fighting. And dear students, there was Babu. There was Babu actually. There was Babu, dear students. And here, what happened next? I will tell you. Wait. What happened next? I will tell you. there was Babu and he stood there. Babu stood there and he watched the two of them fighting. So Babu stood like this and he watched. Oh, fighting is going on. Wow. Fighting, yes, fight, quarrel, start. He enjoyed that sight. He enjoyed that fighting. So Babu stood there, he watched the two of them fighting, two people fighting, and the wisdom was there. Wisdom was there. That Nagendra gave the wisdom. Nagendra gave the wisdom that it is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. So Babu stood and Babu watched two of them fighting. Maids were fighting. Maids were fighting with each other and Babu stood and watched the fighting. He enjoyed that. Then, when their fighting over, when their quarrel over, two of them saw Babu. First maid and second maid, they saw Babu was there. Babu was standing there. So one maid said, "You be my witness." Another maid said, "You be my witness, because you have watched who started fighting, because you are the witness. You are the eyewitness. So you be my witness only, huh?" Other maid said, No. You have watched everything. Who started first fighting? You be my eyewitness. You be my eyewitness. So I want you as a witness. Other maid, second maid said, I want you as my witness. So be the witness. Be the witness. Why witness? Because that maids will go to the palace, to the queen, and to queen they will explain that fighting, and there will be witness, the Babu will be witness. And that's why two of them said, be my witness. So now there was one problem. Babu could not be the witness of both. Babu could not be the witness of both. And now he was in trouble. Now he was in problem. He was in dilemma. The situation was now bad. How he can be the witness of two maids? That's why it is not wise, it is not good to stand and watch two people fighting. Okay? So dear students, did you understand this lesson?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So lesson means not only, actually I completed.
Yes, sir.
Actually I completed only paragraph. I completed only paragraph. Okay? Yogna, did you understand? Yogna? Okay. So up to the witness. Up to witness. Be the witness. We have completed today up to be the witness. So actually what happened next? Tomorrow we will learn. Tomorrow we will continue what happened next. Definitely we will start. So I have already sent you the PDF of book. Read it. And other students, where is that boy? Prajwal. Off your mic. I will remove you. In between, during the lecture, if you turn on your mic unnecessarily, It is not good. So dear students, this is the topic, this is the story, the boy who sold wisdom. So we will continue in the next lesson, in the next class, that is tomorrow. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.